Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. I'm here to show off the Powerpuff Girls by ColourPop Collection. I know I'm late to this. I had ordered this collection when it came out, but when I got it in the mail, it was a couple days right after I had a knee injury. And I'm still recovering from that. It's been 2 weeks now, and I'm just now getting up around easier. So I thought I would finally get this video going. And I'm sure everybody's already seen it and aware of it, but I'm gonna show you anyway. So this collection came with 2 blushes, an eyeshadow palette, 3 shadow sticks, 3 roller glosses, a bath bomb, 2 lip mask duos, and hair clips. So if you didn't know, ColourPop has 2 sister brands. One is Soul, and I don't know if you can see it right there. There you go, Soul. This bath bomb called Drama Bomb came from the Soul sister brand. This is what it looks like. It smells so good. So I can't wait to use this in a bath when I can fully get out of the bath. And then the other sister brand is Fourth Ray Beauty, and that's where these 2 lip mask duos came from. So we have Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice. And this is what Sugar and Spice looks like. I don't know if you can see that. Nope, I don't think you can see that. Alright, this is Sugar and Spice. It smells a little fruity, I think, with a hint of spice. And this is Everything Nice. And this one smells like Christmas to me. Alright, and these are overnight lip masks, but I am going to apply one for now. And I'm going to apply Sugar and Spice. Just get a little bit on my lips. My lips are super chapped right now too. Feels nice. Feels really nice. And we have, again, 2 blushes. We have Fighting Crime and Saving the World. So let's open them up and check them out. So Fighting Crime, which looks pretty intimidating, and Saving the World. Just a nice little peach color. So I'll swatch these on the back of my hands. So Saving the World and Fighting Crime. The packaging of these are super adorable. They're kind of like switched, like so. This one has the pink on the outside and blue in the middle, and then this one has the blue on the outside and then pink in the middle. I think it's super adorable. Packaging of everything, adorable. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush. I'm gonna do Fighting Crime, the intimidating one. I'm gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna go very, very light-handed on this. I went light-handed, it still came out pretty dark. Blend that in. That is the boldest blush I have ever used. Next time I'll go a little bit lighter, but it's pretty. All right, and then we have 3 shadow sticks. We have Him, which is this beautiful red. Mojo Jojo, which is this green, and Princess Morbucks, which is this blue. Those are some gorgeous shadow sticks. I'll save those for when I do my eyes. Onto the 3 roller brushes, Blossom, Buttercup, and Bubbles. So let's take a look at these. These definitely take me back to my childhood. I had tons of roller gloss, so here's Blossom. It says it smells like watermelon, and it does. Buttercup, which is green apple. And Bubbles, which is blue raspberry. Oh, they all smell so good. I'm actually gonna take this lip mask off now. And I'm gonna put Bubbles on. Takes me right back to my childhood. All right, before we get onto the eyeshadow palettes, I'm gonna show you these clips. Bubbles, Blossom, and Buttercup. I will most likely be giving these to Skylin. She'll wear them more than I will. But for the sake of this video, I will wear them. So let's put them in. This is gonna help keep the hair out of my eyes while I do my eyeshadow. All right, now on to the best part, the eyeshadow palettes. That's what it looks like. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous colors. These colors are so vibrant. I love it. All right, let's do some swatches. For the first row, we have, let's see, Townsville, Professor Utonium, The Mayor, and Crime Fighting. All right, for the second row, we have Pokey Oaks, Frenemy, Chemical X, and Super Friends. This is the third row, and it is so vibrant. Oh my gosh, I love it. So we have Girls Rock, The Fashionistas, Silico, and Rowdy Rough Boys. I think one of my favorite Powerpuff Girl episodes was the one with the Rowdy Rough Boys where Mojo Jojo created them. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite episode. My cousin was recently visiting, and she was here when I got this collection in the mail, and she had a really great idea with the eyeshadow palette and the shadow stick. So I think for this video I'm gonna create the look that she suggested. Let's go ahead and do this. Zoom in. Start with Silico on this side. A little bit of a fluffy brush, a little fluffy. Take a little more of that and come up a little higher. This bright green is coming out a little bit patchy, but that very well could be that I didn't set the concealer on my eye before I started, so. It's still a gorgeous color. Going with Rowdy Rough Boys. And I'm just gonna use the same brush, but the other side. Go one on the other eye. So vibrant. That same fluffy brush and clean it off. I'm gonna do the same thing with the blue and just take a little bit of Rowdy Rough Boys and kind of just blend up here more. And I'm gonna take Princess Morbucks and draw kind of like a wing on the green side. Let's see how well it turns out. Stiffany. Couldn't guess, on the other side I'm gonna do Mojo. Jojo. And these shadow sticks have sharpener, which is really cool. Since we have colors incorporated for Buttercup and Bubbles, of course we need a color to incorporate Blossom, which happened to be my favorite Powerpuff Girls growing up. Let me know who your favorite Powerpuff Girls character was in the comments below. I'm gonna go with Girls Rock on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go with him on the lower lash line. I'm sorry, waterline. For the inner corner, I'm doing Professor Utonia. I'm gonna take that up to the brow bone, like I always do. I'm gonna add a little sparkle. I'm gonna take Townsville on both eyelids, just a little bit, just to add some sparkle. Yes, that's what I wanted. Add some mascara real quick. All right, that's the end of this collection, and this is the final look. So I would not normally create a look like this, but I thought it was such a fun idea. And honestly, I think it would look much better if I had some fake lashes on, but I'm not gonna go hobble and put those on this late at night anyway. I'm just gonna take them right off, so. But this is so fun. My cousin Lyra had such a fantastic idea. Here's the look. I hope it's exactly what she had envisioned when she thought of that idea. So I think that's it. My videos may be coming out a little bit slower. I don't know. I get to find out on Tuesday if I'm gonna have surgery on my knee or not. So let's hope for the best. Other than that, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.